Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You're welcome once again to this class. Our Tajwid lessons continues today. I'm none other than your friend and brother Abu Zubair. Now, last class we talked about those letters that are similar in pronunciation, where we made mention of the letters like A, Ha, Kha, A, and Ha. And then letters like Kha, Qa, and Ka. Kha, Qa, and Ka. Now today, we want to go to some other letters that are a bit similar as well in pronunciation. And then we'll also talk about some letters that probably how we were taught, we mispronounce them. Not that they are similar to some other letters, but then there's a particular way we should pronounce them that we are not pronouncing them. And then today, inshallah, will let us into the correct pronunciation of those letters. Now let's look at the board here. You see these letters here. We have letter Tha here, letter Sin here, and letter Zayu here. Now these three letters, sometimes we have people who mispronounce them or who pronounce one in the place of another. This letter here is correctly pronounced as Tha, 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 with the tip of the tongue and the teeth. Tha, Tha. That is the correct pronunciation of this letter, not Sa. Sa is this. This is Sa. This is Tha, 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 Sa, Tha, Sa, Tha, Sa. And this is Za, Za. That is Zayu, Za. So each one must not be pronounced like the other. So if you do that, like I told you last time, you are going to alter the meaning of the word. This is another group, Da and Do. This is usually common among beginners, especially those that are just learning to read the Quran. Calling Da, Do, or Ta, To, or Ka, Ko, we must be able to distinguish between Ta and To, Da and Do, and then Ko and Ka. We should be able to distinguish between the pairs. Now, these ones, like I said, Da and Do, Da and Do. Now, as we progress in our lesson of Tajwid, we will understand Da and Do more. Do is Do, not Do, like Do. No, Do, Do. There's a way we pronounce it that as we progress, I would not want us to go into the technical aspect here. Now, that is on this. Now let's now go to these ones. These ones are the letters I said we've learned to pronounce them. But then, most of how we were taught to pronounce them, most of us were taught the wrong way. Sorry to say, the wrong way. These words and these letters, they are pronounced as me, not more, like we do pronounce, not more. More, like M-O-R-E, is not correct. It's me. That O sound will not come with it. Me. This as well, not no. Not no. It's na. So this will be explained more when we get to the attributes of letters, which we shall go in our lesson 3, inshallah. So we shall go to the attributes of letters. Now, this is one group. This is another group here. These two. This is pronounced as Go and not Ga. This is Go, not Ga. This is Kho, not kha. This is kho, not kha. Now, I told you that in the attributes of letters, because of the attributes, we know that this is how to pronounce them. The attributes of this one, they fall into category of those letters that explains what we call al-istifal. 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 And this one have the attributes of al-isti'la. 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 So this, we will talk about these attributes more when we get to the attributes of letters. But this tells us that these two should pronounce as go and kho. Go and kho. That is how to pronounce them. This is ma and na, not mo and no. And this one is pronounced as ro and not ra. Ro and not ra. Now, this letter is not one of those that explains isti'la. However, ro is like in a perpetual state of tafkhim. Is in a perpetual state of tafkhim because ro, when ro is pronounced with fatha, it is in the state of tafkhim. That is every pronunciation of that ro. And when it's in the state of tafkhim, it's pronounced as ro. Ro. With the takrir more pronounced. Ro. Ro. However, when we get to the attributes of letters, this will be explained even more. But then I want us to know that to pronounce these letters correctly is more beneficial to us. A summary of what we said so far. We said that these letters are pronounced as tha, these are sa, these as za. We should not pronounce them correctly. Da and do. Da and do. Then this, I said ma, na, go, kho, ro. So, like I say, I do not want to produce lengthy videos. I want us to be able to listen to everything and even rewatch and listen again so that we can have better understanding of the class. Inshallah, in our next lesson, we'll be going to the attributes of letters to make us understand which letters experience some form of way of pronunciation. Inshallah, when we get there, we'll understand better. May Allah grant us ease of understanding, beneficial knowledge, and success in all our endeavors. Subhanak Allahumma bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. It's me again, it's me, your brother, your friend, Abu Zubair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you again in next class.